Director of Photography John Seale conducted a 3-day lighting workshop with the cinematography students of the Australian Film, Television and Radio School soon after shooting Dead Poets Society for Peter Weir. The photography of Dead Poets Society illustrates only in part what makes John Seale an inspirational and inspired cinematographer. His planning in pre-production, fast and inventive work on set, control over the film medium and personality all distinguish his approach. John reinvents himself with every new project he takes on. He won't impose his own cinematic style, but prefers to work closely with the director to enhance the narrative, thematic and emotional aspects of the piece, believing his role is to make films, not just beautiful pictures. The soft light on the key side of his face was increased, just so that it wrapped around a bit and was more dramatic. Once again, he stressed the importance of controlling the fill light to balance the exposure.
Oh, that's great.
Normally he would have used a Penalight, but improvised with an Inky on this occasion. At first, the subtle fill was difficult to see against the strong backlight.
So if you knock out all the backlight and you're just looking at Warren's face, you can see the difference. I find it very handy if you look through your rolled up fingers like that. If you're testing a little lamp like this, if you let a backlight like that shine into your eyes, you're going to stop down. Also, on sets, it's good to wear hats.